Okay, for homework 420, I would like you to copy these problems down, the words. I'll give you one to try on your own. First word is poly. All right, these problems are having you compare rates of change just like we've been doing, but the problems I've been giving you have been giving you equations in slope-intercept form where all you have to do is look at the number in front of x and see which one is bigger and realize the bigger number in front of x is the bigger rate of change. Sometimes I give you equations both given. Sometimes I'll give you an equation given or a line that you need to write an equation and then a table where you're going to need to find your own slope looking at these numbers right here. And again, knowing that from a table, the change in the y numbers is its one slope. So this one would be faster. But again, we've been doing that. For these problems, they're just kind of word problems compared to a graph. But they are kind of unit rate. So here I go. They're having you compare two buses. Which one is going faster? Bus number 1 here has a rate in words 60 miles for every 1 hour. That's written like this: 60 miles per, that's your fraction, 1, that's hour, 1 hour. That is 60 miles for every 1 hour. That is your slope, folks. Every time you go over 1, you go up 60. Over 1, up 60. If I look at this graph over here, if I compare its slope, looks like every time I go over 1 up here, it is going up 50. So really this graph is showing a rate of change of 50 miles for every 1 hour. That is a slower speed. Bus number 1 will go faster. If I was to put buses 1 chart on this graph, it would look like this. It would start at 1 and then know the way this is numbered: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. If I was to graph bus number 1 on this same graph, I would start here at the origin and then over 1 up 60, over 2 up 120. And you can see that red line is steeper, has a greater rate of change, is climbing faster, going further. Second word is fish. Fish. What I'd like you to do is try one on your own. Try this set where I have you compare bus number 1 going at 30 miles per hour compared to bus number 2, which you need to find your own rate for every 1 hour. I'd like you to identify which bus is going faster, and then if you could just show me that you understand, try to plot bus number 1's progress after a couple hours on this same graph so you could see if it's actually steeper or less steep. The steeper the graph, faster the rate of change. All right, third word is whale. Whale. Good luck.